India has more than 30 million stray dogs according to World Health Organization. India faces about 18,000 to 20,000 cases of rabies every year. According to WHO report, an estimated 45% of all deaths from rabies occurs in South Asia, out of which 36% of the world's death from rabies happens in India itself. Experts say that the main constraint to rabies elimination in India is the lack of coordination and the lack of comprehensive national program. The contribution of non-governmental organization has also been a crucial part of improving picture, said WHO. Have you ever thought, why does India have such a greater number of stray dogs? The biggest reason behind the problem is open garways. Stray dogs rely on garways while hunting for edibles. Countries that have kept garbages in bins and are cleaned regularly see lesser number of stray dogs. India also has fewer government and NGO services that deal with the stray dogs. Approximately 2.7 million dogs and cats are killed every year because shelters are too full and there aren't enough adoptive homes. Post-mortem of few cases reveal that the dogs have had not eaten food for few days. We suspect that the stray dogs died due to starvation, as mussels were found tied in strings due to them beaten up by sticks. Stray animals face variety of hazards each year. Thousands of them suffer and die on the streets. People pay thousands for pure breed dogs, while millions of adoptable dogs await new homes in shelters. Adopting a dog may not change the world, but adopting that one dog will change its life forever. We all are also responsible for stray we see today on the streets. You should take care of all stray dogs. Did you know dogs have had a long presence in the Indian history? The dogs were the first animal to be domesticated. Dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than you love yourself. 1 out of every 10 dogs finds a permanent home. Street dog overpopulation can cause problems for many societies in which they live. So, campaigns to spay and neuter them are sometimes implemented. Indian dogs are highly adaptable, quick learners, and protective of their guardians. Best of all, when you make an Indian dog a part of your family, you not only save a life but also makes a best friend for life.
होने के नाते हम लोगों का भी फर्ज है कि कुत्ते का देखभाल करें, उसको तंग न करें। स्कूल में बच्चों को भी सिखाया जाना चाहिए कि भाई कुत्ते को हम तंग न करें। हम लोग मानव जीवन के लिए वह आवश्यक है, चाहे वह कोई छोटा से छोटा कीड़ा मकोड़ा क्यों न हो। ऐसे हालत में सरकार को चाहिए कि कुत्ते का पर नियंत्रण करें, उसका जनसंख्या नियंत्रण।
Unfortunately, fear and ignorance have led many Indian citizens and officials to see street dog as nothing but an annoyance and to seek eradication using inhumane methods.
कहीं भी दिख सकता है, जैसे हमारे घर के बाहर या कहीं भी, तो हमें उनके प्रति सहानुभूति दिखानी चाहिए, ना कि उनको पत्थर मारना चाहिए। हमें उनको खाना देना चाहिए रोज़ाना, क्योंकि वो कचरे में से ढूंढते हैं, पॉलीथीन्स खाते हैं। स्कूल्स वगैरह में भी फंक्शन वगैरह करने चाहिए कि उनके प्रति हम कैसे काइंडनेस दिखा सकते हैं अपनी।
India's street dog population is closely associated with municipal sanitation practices or neglect thereof. Because these homeless dogs often survive by scavenging rubbish, exposed garbage means more and more puppies. The public can also help end the cycle of animal homelessness and save lives by opening our hearts and homes to loyal, loving Indian dogs instead of buying animals from breeders or pet shops.